Hey you guys, what's up? So today's video is going to be a little bit different than the normal videos that I usually make, but something exciting has happened. Moda Brushes has launched a nail art kit. You guys, I was so excited when Moda told me they were launching a nail art kit. I knew that I had to do a set of nails that matched my makeup or makeup that matched my nails. So that's what we're going to be doing today. I'm going to be doing a little tryout using the new Moda Brushes nail art kit. And we're going to be creating some flower summery nails and also creating a makeup look to match. So inside this nail art kit, you guys, you are getting 5 Moda brushes. You're getting a liner brush. It is a bit of a thicker liner brush, so this is perfect for like blooming gel, adding funky shapes or designs to the nail. You're getting a thin liner brush, which is perfect for those small details, intricate designs and complex lines. You're getting a shader brush in there as well, which is perfect for shading. You're getting a jewel tool. You guys, this picks the jewels up with ease. And then last but not least, you're getting a dotting tool. And just like the Moda makeup brushes, these are 100% cruelty-free and vegan. They are waterproof, excellent for wet or dry product, and has those classic Moda textured handles. So yeah, you guys, let's jump into it and create these nails using the new Moda Brushes nail art kit. Moda also released a nail scrubber, which gets those nails super clean and gets rid of any bacteria or file dust. So this kit includes 5 awesome tools to create the perfect nail art. First, I'm using the liner brush. This is great to add precise lines, squiggly strokes, or funky shapes. It's also perfect for the petals of my flowers. Next, we're using the shader brush. Not only is this brush amazing for shading or highlighting areas of your art, but it's also great for creating dynamic shapes and lines. I'm using this for the leaves of my flowers. Now we're moving on to the daughter tool, which is perfect for these adorable little white flowers. And now we are taking the detail liner brush, which is perfect for intricate designs and complex lines. I'm also using this to shade smaller areas of the nail. Lastly is the jewel tool, which delicately and precisely places gems on the nail. It's seriously like a suction cup. Look at how it effortlessly just picks that gem up, and then you can precisely place it where you want on the nail. I'll probably even use this for gems in makeup looks. And here is the final nail set. I wanted to create 2 different thumbs, one without the gems and one with, so you guys could see just how the tool is used. Now on to the matching makeup look. I'm just taking a hot pink shadow, placing that down, taking a red shadow, putting it in my crease, and deepening up that outer corner with a darker red. We're going to take a shimmery pink, place it on the lid, and that inner corner is going to be a bright white. And I don't think I mentioned this earlier, but all the makeup brushes I'm using are from Moda as well. Now I'm taking a light blue liner as well as a gray liner, and I'm mixing those 2 together to kind of create a muted blue. Taking green underneath that, and then we're going to start our bouquet of flowers. I'm using Mayron's Paradise paint palette to do this. And yeah, that is pretty much our look. I'm going to add a lip, and we are done. Well, that is it, you guys. Hopefully you enjoyed the nail tutorial using the new Moda Brushes nail kit, as well as the makeup tutorial using Moda Brushes makeup brushes. I just want to say a big thank you to Moda for sending me this nail art kit to try, and thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to live life in color. Please like the video if you liked this, subscribe if you want to see more, and I'll be back with another video very, very soon. Bye, you guys.